In this video, I'm going to show you how to send text messages from the system. So in order to send text messages from the system, we do need to set up an integration, like a Click-a-Tell integration. So I'm going to show you how to do that very quickly. So we're going to navigate to Setup over here on the bottom left-hand side. And then we're going to click on Integrations. Then I'm going to add a new integration. I'm just going to go ahead and call this Click-a-Tell. Then it's going to be active. And the integration I am going to choose is my Click-a-Tell integration. You would then get your API key from your Click-a-Tell account. I'm just going to put in some nonsense information, so this isn't actually going to work, but I'm going to go ahead and hit save. And now my Click-a-Tell integration has been added. So that is how you would go ahead and add a Click-a-Tell integration. So now when I go to send a text message, I'm going to navigate over to my messenger. And then I'm just going to send a single message. So I'll show you how to do this in the single messages because it pretty much is the same for every other type of message when sending a text message. So I'm going to add a new message and I'm going to call this my text message. And then I would select my list. And then here under type is where I would go ahead and select text. So now I'm going to create a text message within the system. So I'm going to hit save. And now you'll see that it is a much simpler version of our email editor. So here we are going to type out our message. This is my text message. And of course, formatting is going to be limited here because it is just a text message. Then you can go ahead and hit next. And then you would choose your recipients as you would usually. And just note that when you send out this message to your recipients, this text message is only going to be sent to users who have given you their mobile number. If they have not given you their mobile number, they will obviously not be receiving a text message. So you might have 500 users in your list, but only 200 of those users have provided you with their mobile numbers. You will only be able to send this to a maximum of 200 people then. So just note that this isn't going to be sent to all of your users unless all of your users have provided you with their contact number. So just keep that in mind when it comes to using the text messaging within the system. So once you have selected your lists and added your filters and done all of that, you can go ahead and hit next. And then you would choose whether you want to send this now or schedule it. So we can go ahead and let's say send it now, and then I hit next. You would then need to confirm this. And because Betty White, again, she's not provided us with her mobile number, we can't actually send this message to her. So if I navigate back to my contacts and I come here to Betty White and I give her a mobile number, and I'm just going to do that and hit save. Then when I navigate back to my messenger and I come into this text message, there it is, and I click on confirm, you'll see that I am now able to send that to one recipient because Betty White now has provided me with her mobile number. So that is how you can go ahead and send text messages from the system. And congratulations, you completed your training on the messenger functionality within the system and now have all of the knowledge you need to utilize the messenger functionality to the best of your ability and to the benefit of your business.